Hi all, welcome back in my shop. I'm Steven. This morning I received a parcel from from Amazon, and car box is here, and I will share with you what I bought for the CNC machine. So I will move the camera here and to be sure that you have a good view on the box, to have the same vision that I have on it. So stay tuned. So it's a pretty big box. Let me take a knife to open it. There is another box inside. So here it is. It's a monitor from Yamaha. Let me turn it a little bit. So it's from a Yamaha. It's a 24 inches LCD monitor, and what is interesting, it's a touch screen, an optical multi-touch here, and the purpose of this LCD monitor is to use it with the new CNC machine. I will put Linux CNC, and on Linux CNC they create a new J UI, and you can use a touch screen, and it's very helpful. So I will get this guy out of the box, and I will explain you why I want to use a touch screen on this case, because I have a past experience on my first CNC without a touch screen, and it's not very useful. So let's open this guy. See what? There's some cable. The power cable. It's a VGA cable, and an audio cable, that's HDMI cable, and that's it's a USB cable. And inside there is the foot, this guy. Front. Not sure that I can get it easily. not too heavy. So you can see it's a pretty big size. It's 24 inches. So with a touchscreen it will be very full. So I will put a foot on it and make some testing with this screen. And that I need to check to be sure that Linux CNC is able to manage this monitor. So pretty good thing. Let me warm up and check for the Linux CNC and install it. The new GUI they use is GMO Cappy. I will put a link for it. And let me explain you a little bit why I want to use such a touchscreen. You know, on this CNC machine, I will move the camera to show you a better view. You know, this CNC machine is also controlled by Linux CNC. But the way it is done is this way. You have a PC here. Let me put some lights. So you have a PC, then there is a keyboard, a mouse, and a monitor, and it's located on the side of the CNC machine, so you can see your spindle. But when you want to make some setup, I have, you know, to go on the front of the machine in this position. So I lost access to the keyboard. So I do not want to do the same mistake on the new CNC machine on a heavy duty. So I will put a touchscreen on the left side in this area. So I will be able to use a touchscreen like that and be very close to the machine and see my spindle and make my setup in easy way. So based on the experience I had on this previous machine, that's why I choose you know, this touch screen. It would have been possible to make, you know, the keyboard and so on in the front of the CNC machine, but I will lost some space and some access to the machine there, and also it's a pretty big machine, so it's not very convenient. And the other thing that would have not be possible to put the keyboard in the front of the machine is the fact that the chips are flying in this direction, and in this area, you know, there is the CNC wall that protects the screen, as you can see here. So the screen, the keyboard, and all the stuff is protected. And since I use the machine, I never had any concern regarding, you know, chips flying on the keyboard or something like that. In the front, I had a lot of chips. So if you look at the front of the machine, there are some chips. So on the floors also there is a lot of chips, and they are coming from this side. And the way the CNC is running, you know, the chips are deflected from both sides of the machine, and either they stay on the table or they fly in the front. So that's why it's not possible to put, you know, the monitor in the front. So with this guy it would be more easy, and I will make a structure to support you know, the monitor and so on, to have it in the proper position and to have the maximum access to the, you know, to the monitor. So I will upload, you know, the Linux CNC, the last edition. I guess it's 2.7 to 2.2, and I will show you how it works with this very nice screen. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.